Alright, welcome back. So there's a viewport. We have some icons here. Okay, so for me I call it more like the toolbox. Okay, so we have your move, we have the selection tool Q. So once I click this, it's selected. We have our lasso tool. You can just select, and for selection still, you get a point, right? It's selected. It's selected. Okay, so you have your pin selection. We'll look at that later. We have a move tool, which is your Q. Okay, once you hit that there, it's your Q and W's. So Q is selection, W is your move tool, and then we have the rotation tool. So with this I can just rotate this, Okay, then finally we have the scale tool, which is your R. So basically in Maya, you will love to be using a shortcut most of the times. Okay, so I believe now you can pan, you can orbit, you can zoom in and out, hit your W to move, and you can see. So to move, basically just move like this. You can move this way, move that way. And if you want to move, now moving in one axis. Okay, look at this here, Y axis. So this is my Y. Okay, this is my Y, there's my X. So my X is red, my Y is green, my Z is blue. So you can move in one axis so, you can move in another axis like so. I can move in this axis like so. Okay, so to move in two axes, all I need to do is to use this place here. So this point controls Z and X, so I can move it. This one here, you can see it's, if I hover over it, it highlights, it controls Y and Z, so you can move Y and Z. That there does the same thing. It works the same way for your rotate. Okay, no, actually you can rotate only in an axis or something. But for your scale, you could scale 1/6. That was my Z. I can scale in X axis. I can scale in Y axis. I can also scale, let's say in both. Let's say in X and Z. I can also scale, let's say in Y and X. I'm using this to reference is Y and X. I can also scale in Y and Z like so. So basically, that is how the tools works, where you have your, you move, you rotate, and so on and so forth. So most of the times you're going to be clicking. You have your maybe your move. You have your move. You move things around. You have your rotate. You rotate things around. I will undo that. And you have your scale, and you could scale this. Let's say if you want to scale in all axes, you pull from that point downwards. So that is that basically. So I think right now you know how to move things in your viewport. You can scale in your viewport. Okay, you can rotate in your viewport. You can zoom in and out. You can orbit, and you can pan. All right. So see you in the next video. Thank you.